Hello, this is Alice from sewingathomemom.com. Today I would like to show you a short video on how to quickly take in your jeans. So take in waist in your jeans. What you will need is a thread, the needle, scissors, and also the ruler and the marker. So it can be chalk, it can be fabric marker, anything to mark the line. So these are the supplies that I'm going to use, and I highly recommend to use an embroidery thread. So it's thicker than regular sewing thread, and for that reason, I highly recommend. So once you try on your pants and you decide how much you have to take in, then you will have to measure that. So I need to take about 1.5 inches. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna measure from this line over here. So from here to here, and then make a straight line as the pocket is attached to the side seam. So you go right from 0 to that point that we just marked. And obviously we're gonna go all the way here. Now we're gonna get your needle and a thread ready. Make sure to make a knot at the end, only on one end. Don't connect these two, only one. Okay. And now I will start from the inside. So right next over here, gonna poke the needle out. And now I will continue with the invisible stitch, also called as ladder stitch. So this way, and the way it looks is you go down and up, come out, and then you will have to follow that line, the mark that I just made. Go as close to that seam as possible. Now it's time to pull. That's why you need the embroidery thread, because it's stronger. If you keep pulling on a regular hand sewing thread or the machine, it could break. That's it. That's how easy it is. And now all you gotta do is finish it with the knot. So when I make a knot right over here, and one more time, and pay attention when I get this thread around the needle 2 times, and I pull. If it gets tangled, gently pull on one end, it should release. Beautiful. Okay, and now I will bring that needle and a thread back inside. It doesn't matter where, but just get it in, pull it out. Now it's safe to cut, and that's it. And do the same thing on the other side, and you just took in the waist of your jeans, and that's what we wanted. It took me like, what, a couple minutes. Beautifully done. If you like this video, please like it, share it, so other people can benefit as well, can learn something new. Until next time, bye-bye.